Hello everyone, you're welcome to today's class. So we have a simple question here to solve which is on the geometric progression. It says the fifth time of a geometric progression is 8 times the second term. We are required to find its common ratio. So let's get started. Hi viewers, if this is your first time coming across my video, kindly subscribe to the channel. Watching the video alone is not enough, please. And don't forget to please turn on the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post a new video on this page. So let's get started. The question reads, the fifth term of the GP, that means T5, is 8 times the second term. This is equal to 8 times T2, which is the second term. So now we're going to use the formula for nth term of a GP, which is Tn is equal to AR to the power of n minus 1. Now we substitute for T5, that becomes AR to the power of 5 minus 1. Since the value of n here, for T5, n is equal to 5, and for T2, n is equal to 2. So this is equal to 8 times T2, that becomes AR to the power of 2 minus 1. So simplifying further at this point, we have AR to the power of 5 minus 1 here gives us 4. This is equal to 8 times AR to the power of 1. 2 minus 1 gives us 1. And R to the power of 1, same as R, right? So at this point, we have AR to the power of 4 is equal to 8 AR. So our intention is to make R the subject of formula because that's the unknown we are required to find. So at this point, we divide both sides by AR, both the left and the right hand side by AR. So that's A cancels AR cancels R on the right hand side. Now moving on to the left hand side, the A cancels out. We are left with R to the power of 4 divided by R is equal to 8. R to the power of 4 divided by R gives us R to the power of 3. Now let me show us how we got R to the power of 3. R to the power of 4 means R in 4 places divided by R. Look at this. R cancels out R, we have R, 3 R's left, right? And if you multiply 3 R's, that gives us R to the power of 3. So I hope that's clear. So now this is equal to 8. Now to make R the subject of formula, because what we have is R to the power of 3, we can decide to take the cube root of both the left hand and the right hand side. So doing that, R to the power of 3 cancels the cube root. We're left with R is equal to the cube root of 8. And the cube root of 8 gives us 2. So that means the common ratio, the common ratio here in this question is 2. That's so easy, right? Any question? Drop your question in the comment section and I'll be in the comment to answer your questions. Alright. So we will see you in my next video. Bye bye.